What is going on, guys? In today's video, I'll be showing you a proven way to make up to $100 a day.
Throw it up. Start twerking like Miley. Oh yeah, twerking like Miley. Don't pop it like Miley.
So if you're looking to make a little money on the side, you can go around your house, look for old textbooks that you no longer use, and scan the ISBN number in the back of the books and see how much they're potentially worth. But there's an even much better way I use to make money using this BookScouter app. And what I do is I go to my local thrift stores, Salvation Army, Goodwill, and even garage sales around the corner. And I go with my phone, scan the barcodes behind these textbooks I find, and see how much they're worth, if they're worth my investment. So the other day, while I was out looking for books I can potentially sell using this app, I made a little tutorial, a little video showing you how you can make money using this app. Watch the video. This is Destiny again, and today I'm bringing you a special video on how to make money, little cash on the side. And I'm in a bookstore right now, as you can see, and I came across a little geometry book, and I want to show you a little bit about it. Hey guys, so all you have to do is go onto your phone to the BookScouter app and hit on the scan barcode down at the bottom, and as you can see, I bought this book for $4.50, but after scanning the barcode I made $10.30, so I made about $5.80 worth of profit from just this one book. So instead of going shelf to shelf scanning books to see how much they're potentially worth, I made it a little bit easier. I did my research, and I want you to target a certain kind of books, college textbooks. I want you to go to the store, find college textbooks, and scan those barcodes behind and see how much they're potentially worth. Because the other day I was at the store and I made $30 with just one college textbook I found laying around for $5. So this is a really good and interesting way you can make money on the side, up to $100. If you love videos like this, and if you think this content was great, I want you to go down in the comment section below and tell me you want to see more videos like this, and I'll be sure to post this weekly. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, see what I do every day, and thank you for watching. Yeah.